everyone, Stephanie here from Matthew Stephens, giving you some at-home cleaning advice for your engagement ring and things to watch out for to ensure the longevity of your ring. So all you need to clean your ring at home is a bowl of warm water, washing up liquid, and a child's toothbrush. But first, here's a little before shot of my engagement ring and look how dirty it is. So to start, just mix in the washing up liquid with the warm water in a bowl and put in your rings. After a minute, use the child's soft toothbrush to scrub all around the ring, making sure to get underneath the diamonds where a lot of dirt and lotion can pile up. So while I clean my ring, let me give you some tips to ensure the longevity of your ring. First, avoid wearing your ring where it can be damaged, such as the gym, gardening, and heavy housework. Chemicals can be very damaging to a ring and can even make your ring brittle. And anytime you remove your ring, make sure you put it in a ring box in a safe location. And lastly, we recommend you get your ring checked every 2 years to ensure the prongs holding the diamonds are still in good condition. And that is it. After it's clean, give it a good pat dry with some paper towels and then you're all done, and look at the difference, all sparkly and brand new once again. If you have any questions, just give us a call on 061 415 583.